we find the domain of fx equal to square root of a minus x plus 1 by square root of x square minus a square. From here, first we check value of x from square root of a minus x. We know square root of any value will be greater than equal to 0. From here, just squaring both sides we get, and since x is less than equal to 0. Now from second term, root over x square minus a square, since this is denominator, we know denominator never be 0. Denominator never be 0 if x equal to plus or minus a, our denominator will be 0. So x never be equal to a. So here x is less than a, and less than, here x is not equal to a, plus minus a. Now denominator is greater than 0, denominator never be 0, so we cannot write greater than and equal to, we just write is greater than 0. From here we first factorize it, we get, now if this is greater than 0, now if we draw a line and plot this value, this is greater than 0, so our positive interval will be the possible value of a. But here we check our value of x is less than a, so less than a, and it cannot lie minus a to a. Here is less than a, x less than a, so our value of x is minus a. We can check it if x is less than a, here less than a to square, and a this square, it will be negative, and if a is, here we get x is less than minus a, so our minus a, if minus a, then minus this will be plus, and this is a square, any square number, it will be minus infinite to minus a. So our range is minus infinite to minus a, and it lie in open interval.